welcome to Intelle, Learn Your Ultimate Source for Learning. So, this video is all about the playlist which we are going to release. So, guess what? Which playlist we are going to release? So, the playlist which we are going to release is about core Python. So, we are going to release the playlist of core Python where you are going to learn about the fundamentals of Python, flow control statements of Python, data types in Python, functions in Python, classes and objects in Python, files in Python, and exception handling in Python. So these are the core Python concepts which we are going to release in this playlist. So make sure to watch the playlist so that you can understand the programming language history which is right now on trending, which is Python programming language. Okay, so the playlist will be released on 10th of January 2026, and the timing of the video upload is 4:30 not, okay, it's 3:30 p.m. IST, that's Indian Standard Time. So make sure to give some love for this playlist. Make sure to please like and subscribe to my channel for more programming updates as well. If you have any doubts, if you have any things that you want to share, you can go into the comment section and please let me know about it so that I can tell you related to it. So thank you.